So for these next two examples for the video 2 section, super duper similar. We're just working with word problems. Okay, so we worked with these yesterday, so we should be familiar. So example 1, the cost of pizza. Okay, so my cost of pizza varies directly with its radius. Okay, so I know cost varies with radius. Cost is before, varies directly, radius is after, so cost and then radius. If a pizza with a 6-inch radius, okay, so the 6-inch is our radius, so it's going to go on the bottom. Costs $8. Here's my cost. So with a radius of 6, the cost is $8. Okay, how much should a pizza with an 11-inch radius, right? So here's this third number, just like up above. This third number is 11, and it's talking about my radius, right? Radius goes on the bottom, so 11. Okay, and this is what I'm trying to find, the cost of an 11-inch pizza, so I can cross multiply. Okay, so I've got 8 times 11, which is 88. Okay, and then I'll take my 88 and divide it by that 6. So I've got 88 divided by 6, and I got 44 over 3. We're talking about money, right? So change it to a decimal, control, and then enter. Okay, so 14.6667. Okay, this isn't really a money amount. That would be rounded up to 14.67. It's filling in this hole right now, so that's the cost, which is dollars. 14.67. Okay, next example. Okay, so this one, I'm going to go ahead and make a new document on my calculator. This one, distance required to stop a car varies with its speed. Okay, so we're talking about distance. I'm going to use a D. Varies directly with speed. I'm going to use an S. So distance over speed. If 250 feet is measuring distance, so it's going to go on the top. 250 feet are required to stop a car traveling 60 miles per hour. There's my speed. 60 miles per hour. How many feet are required to stop a car traveling 96 miles per hour? So this 96 miles per hour is my speed. Remember, speed, my S goes on the bottom. So 96. Okay. So now my next step is to fill in this hole. Right, I'm going to do that by cross multiplication. So 250 times 96. Plug that in real quick. Okay, so 250 times 96 gives me 24,000. I'm going to take that 24,000 and divide it by this leftover 60. So divided by 60. Okay, so my 24,000 divided by 60 is 400. 400, okay? So notice this 400 is filling in this hole right here. Okay, so this 400 goes on the top right here. It's talking about distance, okay? Our distance is measured in feet in this problem, okay? So we've got 40, which is my distance, which is feet. Done.